Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about TinyMCE WYSIWYG HTML Editor. TinyMCE is the most advanced WYSIWYG HTML editor which designs to simplify website content creation. Okay, so let's see how can we use TinyMCE in Laravel 8. So first of all, let's create a new controller. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan make colon controller space controller name. Let's say controller name is editor controller. Alright, now press enter. Now let's run the application. So just write here php artisan serve. Alright, now switch to the project. Just open editor controller. So just go inside the app http controllers and just open editor controller. And here let's create a function. So just write here public function and function name, let's say function name is editor. Alright, and inside this just return a view, let's say view name is editor. Now create the route for this function. So go to the routes and just open web.php and here let's create the route. So just write here route get and URI, let's URI editor, add here the controller name which is editor controller and also add here editor controller. Alright, then colon class, add here the function name which is this one editor. So just copy and paste here. Alright, now save this file and let's create this view. So just go inside the resources, then views, resources, then views, and inside this view let's create a new file editor.blade.php. Alright, now let's add the HTML5 boilerplate. So just type here exclamation sign, press tab, change the title HTML editor. Alright, now here just add bootstrap CDN. So go to the get bootstrap.com and click on get started, and now just copy this CSS, paste here, also copy the JS and just paste here. Alright, now go to the Google and just search here TinyMCE. Okay, now just click on first link. Alright, and just click here get TinyMCE for free. And from here you can sign up. So just enter your email ID and choose any password and just click click on this button create my Tiny account. I have already created my account, so just click on already have an account, and now this is my email ID and password as entered. Now just click on sign in. Now from the dashboard, from here just copy this script. Alright, from here to here and just paste inside the editor.blade.php file. So just paste here. Alright, now save this file and now let's create a form here. So inside the body just add here the section give some padding. So just write here style padding top, let's say 60 pixel, and inside this section just add a container. Alright, in row, and inside this row just add here column empty 12. Alright, and inside this just add here a card, then card here, uh, just write here TinyMCE HTML Editor. Alright, and just add here card body, and inside this let's add here a form. So just write here form method post, and inside this just write here @CSRF. And now let's create a text area. So just write here text area id is equal to let's say my text area. Okay, name my text area. Alright, and just close the text area. Alright, now save this file. Okay, now let's check this. So switch to the browser and just go to the URL editor. Alright, now you can see the normal text area. Okay, now let's configure this text area to TinyMCE. So just after this just add here a script tag, and inside this just write here TinyMCE dot init, and inside this here just add here selector. Alright, just pass here this text area ID. Okay, so right here hash sign then text area ID. Okay, my text area. Alright, now save this file and just switch to the browser and just refresh the page. And now you can see here TinyMCE WYSIWYG Editor. Alright, using this TinyMCE WYSIWYG Editor, you can easily type here any HTML code like this. This is a heading. Alright, you can just select and make it headings h1. Alright, and just write here any paragraph. I'm just going to copy any paragraph from here. Okay, and just paste here. You can see here the paragraph. Alright, you can also create anything. Okay, so in this way you can use TinyMCE WYSIWYG HTML Editor in Laravel 8. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.